Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use the Tradingview alert conditions. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one at all. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to access the alert conditions features. So you can access the alert conditions features by simply clicking on the alert button that's on the Tradingview dashboard. Now once you have that clicked, step 2 is going to create a new alert condition. So you can go ahead and create a new alert condition, such as a price movement, or it could be an indicator signal. Step 3 will be to configure your alert condition settings. So go ahead and configure your alert condition settings, including the trigger parameters and the notification options. The fourth and final step will be to use your alert conditions. So now that you have it configured, you can go ahead and use your alert conditions to receive notifications when the specific condition is met. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview alert conditions. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.